How to send messages in Vanish mode on Instagram. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily send messages on Vanish mode on Instagram. So let's just get right into it. First off, open up Instagram. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, all you have to do here is simply go ahead and tap on the messages section down below. Once you are here, to access Vanish mode on any chat, just tap on the chat you'd like. So I'll just go over here. Now all you have to do is just swipe up from the screen and it's gonna take you to the disappearing messages and you're gonna be good to go. So you can do this on any chat you want, just swipe up and it's gonna take you to the disappearing messages. Once you've enabled it, you can easily change when the messages are being deleted. So if you send this message, it's going to be sent as a disappearing message and it's going to be disappeared after 24 hours of viewing. But if you want to do it and make it instantly, tap on change here. Then you can easily change it to once they've been sent. And what happens is new messages and reaction will disappear once everyone has seen them. So it will be deleted instantly. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.